Next, this is about that total bill. This is done. Okay, this is will something will come on quiet period, retry count. If you want to use any custom workspace, you can use it. Those things and all will be there here. You can go on just check it what exactly it will be. Okay, next will be the source code management. What is exactly source code management? Source code management, what now? GitHub will be there, right? GitHub is a source code management. So like that SVN also like it will be a Git management. Sorry, code management. So here we have installed the Git in our Jenkins. That's why it's showing the Git here. If you not install the Git in the Jenkins using the plugins, right? It don't come here. Okay, if you install any SVN repository, just go to the plugins, install the SVN. So it will install the SVN repository. Then it will show the second same like Git. Again, what need to do? Click on this one here, repository URL. You know what is meant by repository URL. So you need to copy the URL from the GitHub and you need to give here. Okay, and again you need to take the credentials. We have pasted the credentials here, right? Those credentials we need to give here. Just we'll go to the Jenkins. Okay. So configuration. Okay, limit all of this by default. Okay, we'll came to the source code management. Click on Git. Provide the Git repository GitHub. Okay, this is my GitHub repository URL. Done. Here credentials. Which one we need to select? The credentials or credentials. Okay, like this we need to select. And here which branch your code will be there, right? The master code will be there, like any main. Like mine is a main. Okay. So that's it on the this one code source code management. So what is before in the general the Git is there, right? Not seen there in the sense we have separate place called source code management, right, for the Git. So that's why we removed over there. I have saved this source code management. Every time we don't no need to save. Okay, everything you can configure it and you can save it at a time. So configure. So next build triggers. Trigger builds remotely. Any tokens will be there, right? If you want to build the triggers remotely, right? You can give the remote token. That means what, right? Okay, what I will do? Start. Okay, this is my token name. Okay, this is the you can able to see right here Jenkins URL. Copy this one. Okay, copy. I will paste it here, and I will copy this our Jenkins URL. Copy. Starting URL is there, right? In the place of URL, I'm pasting this one. Job Jenkins build token name. We have created one token name, right? What is the token name? Start. If you go in the place of token name, you give the start. Then what I will do, I will save this one. Okay. Come down. Till now, how many bills will be there? 3. What I will do, I will go and hit this one. Start. It will be started. If you come here, can you able to see? Remotely. Like, see, if you want to do any Jenkins, like a particular thing you want to run, right? So every day you want to come to the Jenkins, you need to log in, you need to go to the jobs, you need to click on the bills. This will be the process, right? So directly by using the link, you can able to build your project. Here you can able to see, if you click on this one, started by remote host. If you go with see other thing, third one, started by admin. So which user got logged into the server, right? By that way we can able to see, right? Here it will be the thing to update. We can able to see, like if you give the host one, right? By running this command, we can able to start our build. So next configure. Build triggers. So you got it a trigger built remotely. You got it right. So okay, build after all other projects are built. Like here it will be there, right? What is in the upstream and downstream? Like what it will be look like, right? So this is my Jenkins job. So before it's running, right? First Jenkins demo one project is there. That job should run first. Then after that build got succeeded, right? Then only it should trigger to this Jenkins and this should run. In that upstream and downstream, those kind of things will attach here. So this is here the build after other projects will be there, right? This is upstream. Okay, like in the after one build completed, right? The Tabo build, then only it will come to this one. Like different projects, I'm telling, not about the build. Different pipelines or jobs. This is a Jenkins job, right? We are having the demo job, right? That is a different. This is a different, right? When you give the you run the demo job, right? If succeeded, then it should trigger the Jenkins to start one by one. Like you can able to see trigger only if the build is stable, trigger if the build is unstable, trigger even if the build is fails, trigger even if the build is aborted. That means it cancelled. So it should be start like that. This is the one. Okay. Here is one more thing called build periodically. Here build periodically in the sense we have I have told in the before like Brown expression star like that will give a star 30 minutes. So if you want to run this project like this job will be there, right? You want to run in the periodical. So every time like every day morning 5 o'clock it should start. So like that it will be there, right? Those things are now you can update here, build periodically. So by that way, like automatically it will start by that time. Okay. Okay, build hook trigger git SCM. Okay, leave about this GitHub hook trigger git SCM. So why? Because we are using the policy. Click on policy. The policy, right? What is it will do? Star, 5 stars. So why we are giving, right? The policy, it will trigger your GitHub repository. Like whenever you are updating your GitHub repository, right? The single wall, automatically it will trigger the build. So here in the all chances it will be check for the every second. You put the timer right, 10 minutes or 30 minutes. Those time also it will check. Whenever you are triggering, right? Whenever you are pushing the code to GitHub, automatically it will trigger from the GitHub. It will run the build. We'll see how it will work out. We'll see. Whenever you are updating in the GitHub, right? It automatically build the job. Okay, by using the cron expression. We'll enable it later. Here you can able to see delete workspace before build start. So what it mean by, right? So whenever you created the job, right? If you see here, we'll go to the Jenkins. This is my workspace. Here you can able to see workspace. What is mean by workspace? What all the data will be there, right? That data will be stored in here. Why? Because here you can able to see git, SCM, web apps, pom.xml, readme.md is there, right? How it came? Why? Because in the Jenkins, in the source code management tool, we updated the GitHub credentials in the Jenkins.git. Can you able to see, right? Jenkins.git. So same code, it got copied to the workspace. So it will copy to the box. So by giving this one, which one build environments, delete workspace before build start. So that means it will clean all the workspace. The workspace, some data will be there, right? All the codes will be there, right? It will delete all the workspace over there. Then again, it will copy the new workspace, new code will be copied to here. Automatic. We are giving the source code management, right? The GitHub, all the things GitHub credentials we are giving, right? Automatically, it will copy to that location. Use secret, not required this and all. Add timestamp to the console output. What it will do, right? If you see here, this one, if you click on here, right? It will come the console output. Can you able to see your timestamp? So what time this command got ran? Those things are can able to see here? No. Why? Because we haven't enabled the timestamp. So add timestamp to the console output to save it. What we'll do, right? We have saved it, right? We'll run it now. Refresh Jenkins build. So wait for some time. So it got ran. 5th. So can you able to see time? So here any time is there? No. This is the difference between that and this one. Build environment. Inspect the build logs that on the not required. With and if you add any and right, you can use the and all those things, JDK things or not. If you inspect the build logs for the publisher build scans, it will store the logs side. So till this is the build environment. Next, we'll go with the build steps. Build steps now. If you had any Windows command, right? If you want to run some commands by using the execute Windows batch command, you can able to run. If you want to run in the Linux, right? Go with the execute shell. So as of now, still I have used a sleep command, right? Sleep 60, it will 60 seconds. It will be sleep. You don't do anything like that. So if you're having any invoke and they are using for the if you go with the Gradle, invoke top level Maven. Like we yesterday we installed the Maven, right? So like that, we'll go into see this one, invoke top level Maven tablets. Okay, I cloned the one job, right? This one. This is a Maven project. Okay, so here I will select the Maven. run with a timeout and set status pending and GitHub commit. This will become. So depends upon the use case, we will use the all those things. Okay. So what I will do, I will go with the Maven. Click on Maven. Here you can able to see default Maven version. Click on Maven. Here you can able to see right here Maven is coming. How it's coming? So what we need to do, right? In the manage Jenkins, yesterday we have seen these tools, right? In the tools we have updated the Maven repository, right? See, JDK, Git, Gradle. If you come down, Maven installations. Can you able to see here? Maven. So Maven, this is the home path, right? We gave, right? That's why it's showing, right? If you give any name here, Maven update, just save it. Like to understand you only. See, I will refresh this page. Reload. Okay, come down. Invoke. Got it right. Don't think if you install the Maven only in the Linux, it won't work. No. You need to update in the tools. The manage tools will be right here. Here you need to update the your Maven path. Then only it will run. Okay. Your goals will be right. What we need to do? Need to clean and install. This is a command to build. Okay. Clean and install. This is the one. So what we'll do? We'll save it. So say check it workspace. Here any target folder is not there. Any WAR file is not there. When we run this one, right, the Maven will be build your WAR file. So we code build all the things we want to see, right? This is the build. Okay, I will build now. Check. Will we start? While running, can able to check the output? So first what happened, it got cloned all the things, and next Maven is running. It installs all the dependencies. If it had anything, it will be installed. Then it got succeeded. Will succeed. You're able to see, right? So Maven install project installing this one where it got stored var lib Jenkins workspace Jenkins target 748. Right. If you go and check it in the workspace here, Jenkins workspace. Can you able to see here workspace? Target. Before target folder is not there. If you go inside the target, right? 748.var. Click on this one, it will download the var file for you. Okay. So that's done.